I'm going to tell you my biggest secret, and it's that, as you know, I love artificial intelligence and bringing you the best tools so you never fall for AI scams. But it wasn't always like this. Before, I wanted to be a singer. Yes, a singer, but it didn't take me long to realize it wasn't for me. My voice didn't sound good. I didn't know how to make the rhythms, and even less how to mix them. So I just gave up. But that changes today. Because with the new advances in artificial intelligence, I've found a tool that will let all of us make extremely high-quality songs.
You talk about gold like it weighs on your mind, but your wallet's full while I'm just getting by. You say it's lonely.
And don't just think about releasing music albums. Think about how it can help you create viral content, background music for your products, marketing, and much more. So stay with me, because I'm going to show you how to get 100% out of this tool. You have the direct link in the Discord in the description. I also have good news. In our Discord, we've released a new volume of our PDF, completely free for everyone who supports the channel. In these volumes, you'll find the best free AIs, tricks to squeeze 100% out of today's tools, and tips, secrets, and updates we don't share on YouTube. To get them, just join the channel's Discord. There, you'll also find links to all the AIs we're using today, plus the prompts we used. You'll see a bot PDF section. Post the link to the video you watched and one screenshot showing you liked, subscribed, left a positive comment, and watched the whole video. That's it. The bot automatically sends you the latest PDF. Jump into Discord. There are tons of other features. People share Sora codes, give advice, a lot that can help you. All right, let's get to the AIs. All right, now let's begin. The tool is called Sonauto. As soon as we enter, we see two things that really caught my attention. First, the amount of high-quality musical examples made by other users that the tool shows us.
You talk about gold like it weighs on your mind, but your wallet's full while I'm just getting by. You say it's lonely at the top, you wish you could find.
I wanna feel, I want your heartbeats on my skin. I sense.
This already gives us a preview of what we're going to see today. The second thing that stood out to me the most is that there is no credits or subscription page anywhere. It's not even that this AI has a lot of free usage and is secretly paid. There isn't even an option to pay for anything. It is completely free and unlimited. This looks very promising. I'm going to give you a tour so you can use it like true professionals. If you want inspiration to create your own songs, like I mentioned before, on the homepage you have tons of examples. If not, go to the radio section. Here you'll discover a lot of music to listen to and get inspired by. All right, when we already know what we want, let's click on Make Music. We sign in with a Google account and arrive at this interface. Here we have several things. The best part is that it's pretty simple if we don't want to complicate things. In simple mode, just by writing a detailed prompt about what we want, it will give us a song based exactly on what we asked for. The more specific you are, the more the song will resemble what you imagined. But if you just want to try things out, the model also handles very basic instructions, still giving very good results. Okay, I'm going to show you something even better. You know how building a website usually takes hours? Choosing templates, writing text, fixing design? Durable changes that. It's an AI platform that literally builds your business website for you in seconds. You just type your business name and industry, and Durable creates a fully designed site, complete with copy, images, and even SEO, right out of the box. No coding, no design skills, nothing. But it goes way beyond a website builder. Durable gives you everything to run your business online. Automatic SEO so people find you on Google, simple invoicing so you get paid faster, and a built-in CRM to track leads and customers all in one place. And now they've added some really cool AI upgrades. The new AI Studio, where you can instantly generate logos, social posts, and branded visuals that stay consistent with your business style. And AI Chats, your own virtual team inside Durable that helps you with marketing ideas, customer communication, and other daily tasks. So if you want your online business to look professional and actually save you time, check out Durable. You can try it free right now. And if you use code MALVA30 at durableai.link/Malva, you'll get 30% off their paid plans. Thanks to Durable for sponsoring this video. Now, let's get back to it. If we go to the advanced section, we have a very, very interesting area called sounds. Here we'll have a huge menu with tons of tags from many genres and types of music. What we'll do here is select the ones we want in our song, so we can tell the AI the exact type of sound we're looking for. Test all the combinations you want. Remember that it's free and unlimited for everyone, so run as many tests as you like. We also have the Fancy Mode tab. If we turn it on, it will give us longer and more complete songs. Try using it too. The AI even has a more advanced tab. If we activate it, more settings will appear for our song, so we can adjust the final result even more. Try adjusting lyrics and style strength and balance until you find the perfect level for each type of song. These will change how the vocals and instruments sound. And leave the BPM on auto. If you want to experiment more, turn on Experiment Boost Style. But the program recommends trying it separately from the other settings to avoid errors. Alright, now that we've configured our song, let's go to the content. We have 3 options. First, auto lyrics. Here we write a prompt about what we want our song to be about, and it will handle creating the lyrics and rhythm based on what we told it. Then we have the custom lyrics option. Here we can upload our own lyrics in case we already have something written that we want turned into a very high-quality song.
But now I'm learning how I light, I rise my...
And the third option, no lyrics. Here only the instrumental will play, perfect for creating background music for our content or marketing. All 3 options will follow the tags and settings I taught you earlier, so make sure to use them properly. Okay, when we have everything selected, we click to generate the song, wait a little, and that's it. Another very interesting section of this AI is that, unlike others like Suno, it is capable of recognizing real artist names. We can ask it to make a song in the style of Michael Jackson, and it will do it without any problem. Alright, with the song already generated, we're going to see some very interesting things, because it doesn't end here. If we click on our song, we'll see the following options. We can publish it so more people can see it, download it in many audio formats, or even go to the section to create a video. If we click, it will create a lyric video for our song in just a few minutes. Perfect for sharing online. But it still doesn't end here. If we click on Edit on our song, we can choose Expand so the song stays exactly the same but becomes longer, in case we liked it so much that we want more. Also, if there's a part we didn't like, we can click Replace, select the exact part we're not happy with, and that's it. We replace it in a few seconds. Another super interesting option is Use as Reference. This option will take the part of our song that we select and mark it as something we want to recreate. We can do this with all AI songs, even the ones we like from other users. And if you're producers, you're going to love this. If in Edit we click Get Stems, the AI will let us download all the instruments and vocals of the song separately, in case we want to use something on our own, or just the vocal. As you've seen, this AI is truly powerful. It's so powerful that in some aspects, it's better than some paid ones. And the best part is that it's completely free and unlimited. I hope this was helpful. Remember that you have the direct link in the channel's Discord. Don't hesitate to share your results with us. Thank you so much for watching.